like going crazy. I think she's on happy crack. No, Alexandra took some happy crack, you know.
You mother.
Mother what? Nature?
No, I don't like her.
Why?
No!
Oh my gosh. She screamed. And now she's under the blanket.
You can't see me.
Now we see your hand. Now you're doing fist bump push-up. Or whatever. Did you just flick me off?
No.
Oh. She's going crazy.
I think I'm high.
Yeah. I think I am too. Should I pause it before you get too crazy?
No.
Okay.
Like, one more minute, please.
Don't fall off the bed now. Okay, I'm pausing it. Well, I'm stopping it. Bye.